Okay, friends, here's the diet I like. I don't prefer a high fat diet. I like having carbs, clean carbs, and proteins in there. So in the case of this, I did about just under half of cup of oatmeal before cooking, and I add after I cook it, I add 2 tablespoons of MCT oil. That gives me extra energy. I've got fiber, some protein, and some good vitamins in there. I take 4 egg whites. I add onion, tomato. That's about it. You can use just salsa. That's also really simple. I use an iron skillet, and I put about 2 tablespoons of the MCT oil. You can use Now brand or just about in base. Pearls is really good. It comes in a buttered flavor. But anyway, what this does is give you a lot of energy. It cleans the system, and you also have the protein that you need for building muscle, staying firm, staying fit, and losing weight. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please share. Have a great day. Got questions? Just ask below.